Hey everyone, it's RK and welcome back to Holistic Health Haven. If you love discovering natural remedies, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies, and I'm pumped to be talking about one of my favorite spices, cinnamon. Not just a delicious addition to your morning toast or coffee, cinnamon has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. We're about to uncover the amazing health benefits hiding behind this spice, so buckle up because things are about to get interesting. First up, let's talk about blood sugar. We all know how important it is to keep our blood sugar levels in check, right? Well, cinnamon can actually help us do that. See, cinnamon acts a bit like a superhero sidekick to our pancreas. The pancreas produces insulin, which helps our bodies use glucose for energy. Cinnamon steps in and makes those insulin receptors more effective. Think of it like this. Insulin is the key that unlocks the door to our cells so glucose can enter and provide energy. Cinnamon is like that handy keychain that keeps everything organized and working smoothly. This means that cinnamon can be really helpful for people who are at risk for or living with type 2 diabetes. And the best part? You can easily incorporate it into your diet. Sprinkle some on your oatmeal, stir it into your yogurt, or add it to your smoothies. Okay, next up, let's talk about inflammation. Now, some inflammation is good. It's our body's natural way of protecting itself. But chronic inflammation, that's a different story. It can lead to various health problems like heart disease and arthritis. This is where cinnamon swoops in with its anti-inflammatory powers. Cinnamon contains compounds called antioxidants, and these antioxidants act like tiny firefighters, neutralizing harmful free radicals in our bodies that can cause damage and inflammation. By reducing inflammation, cinnamon can help protect our cells from damage, which is super important for overall health and well-being. So how can you incorporate more cinnamon into your diet to fight inflammation? Well, you can add it to savory dishes, sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, or even add it to your tea or coffee. Get creative. Now, we can't talk about cinnamon without diving into its potent antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are essential because they protect our bodies from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells. Think of free radicals as little troublemakers causing oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases like heart disease and even cancer. Cinnamon, being the potent antioxidant that it is, helps neutralize these troublemakers and protects our cells from damage. So, by incorporating cinnamon into our diets, we're essentially giving our bodies an extra layer of defense against these harmful molecules. It's like having a superhero shield for our cells. Finally, let's show some love to our hearts. Heart disease is a major concern for many, and maintaining a healthy heart should be a top priority. Well, guess what? Cinnamon can lend a helping hand here too. Studies have shown that cinnamon can actually help lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and triglycerides, while increasing good cholesterol levels, HDL. This is fantastic news because high cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. But that's not all. Cinnamon can also help lower blood pressure, which is another crucial factor in maintaining a healthy heart. So by incorporating cinnamon into your diet, you're not only adding delicious flavor, but also supporting your heart health. It's a win-win. So there you have it. Cinnamon is a simple spice with powerful health benefits. From regulating blood sugar levels and fighting inflammation to boosting heart health, cinnamon is a true super spice. Have you tried cinnamon for your health? Share your experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.